focus on what it is that you want to feel instead. Very often, when we are in negative states, we're really good at finding all the things that we don't like. And we're really good at finding all the reasons that we're unhappy or in that negative emotional place. And while that can be helpful in motivating you in the direction of something better, it does not help create a future that is of your liking because you're focused on these feelings and these things that you don't like. So what you got to do is you've got to ask yourself, okay, well, if I'm not feeling good here right now, what is it that I want to feel? Now, specifically at work, the question is, well, what do I want to feel? Do I want to feel stimulated? Do I want to feel challenged? Do I want to feel connected? Do I want to feel respected? You decide. But what you want to do is get really granular on that desired feeling state that is opposite of joyless and discouraged. And then ask yourself, how can I start feeling those things right now? What are the little shifts that I can make to my routine, to my behaviors, to my habits, to start incorporating behaviors and actions that will point you in the direction of that desired feeling state? And the moment that happens, you will no longer be feeling as joyless and discouraged as you currently are.